Hey, Mishnah base. Mishenital ha'or. After the Aron HaKodesh was taken away, Evan ha'is hasham mimois Nevi'im Rishonim. There was a stone there from the times of the Nevi'im Rishonim, which is the Tiferes Yisrael says is a reference to David and to Shmuel. They were the ones who discovered this rock, this Evan Shasiyah. Either they discovered it or they realized its importance and they revealed it to the rest of the world. Ushasiyah ha'yanikros, and it was called the Evan Shasiyah. Now, there's an interesting machlokas tanoim about what actually happened to the Aron. The previous Mishnahs we've described says that during Bayis Rishon, of course, the Aron HaKodesh was there, and during Bayis Sheni, everyone agrees it wasn't there. The question is, what happened to it? So really, it's a machlokas tanoim. The Mishnah, the one set of tanoim, Rav Shimon and Rabbi Huda, are of the opinion that the Aron was actually hidden by Yoshiyahu HaMelech. Either it was hidden in the place, in the actual environment of the Beis HaMikdash, under the Kodesh Kedoshim, or it was hidden in the Lishkas Ha'etzim, which is one of the chambers in the Azara in the Beis HaMikdash. But either way, it was hidden by King Yoshiyahu. That's one school of thought. Another school of thought is that the Aron was taken away by King Nebuchadnezzar to Bavel, and it's based on a pasuk. The pasuk says, Shalach HaMelech Nebuchadnezzar vayivyehu Bavela. It's a pasuk in Divrei Yom in base Perek Lamed Vav pasuk Yud. It was taken to Bavel in Kli Chemdas Beis Hashem. So the Gemara says in Yomah Nun base on the base, what is the Kli Chemdas Hashem? This treasured vessel of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Zeh Aron. It's a reference to the Aron. So there's a machlokas exactly what happened to it. But interestingly, our Mishnah begins Mishenitel ha'aron. It doesn't say Mishenignaz ha'aron when it was hidden away, but rather Mishenitel ha'aron when the Aron was taken. So this seems to suggest that the Tanna of our Mishnah holds that the Aron was indeed taken away to Bavel, to Babylon, with King Nebuchadnezzar, and it wasn't hidden. Otherwise, it would have said Mishenignaz ha'aron. Also, there is a Mishnah in Shkolim. The Mishnah in Shkolim, Perek Vav, Mishnah base, is clearly of the view that the Aron was indeed hidden in the Beis HaMikdash. And so as I said, it's a machlokas tanoim what exactly happened to the Aron. But either way, everyone agrees during Bayis Sheni there was no Aron. And Mishenitla Aron, when the Aron was taken away, Evan Ha'is Hasham, there was a stone there, the Evan Shasiyah. Mimois Nevi'im HaRishonim, like I mentioned, in the times of David and Shmuel. Ushasiyah Ha'is Nikras, and it was called the Evan Shasiyah. This is the famous Evan Shasiyah. What is the lashon of Evan Shasiyah? So the Bar Tanura tells us, Al Shem Shenimeno Nishtas Ha'olam. From this stone, the world was created. Shebo Yosel HaKadosh Baruch Hu Esolomai. That from this, HaKadosh Baruch Hu formed the entire world, and Shasiyah is the lashon of Yesod. So therefore, for this Evan Shasiyah is the very first thing that HaKadosh Baruch Hu created, and from there formed the rest of the world. Evan Shasiyah. Gavoya min haaretz, it was higher than the ground, shalosh etzbos, 3 finger breadths. V'oleha hoyonosin, and on this Evan Shasiyah, the Kohen Gadol would place the shovel of hot coals on Yom Kippur, and he would do the Ma'aseh Ketores, as we described in the previous Mishnah, on this on this spot. Just one final point, and that is that the art scroll brings interesting point. That it's generally accepted that the great stone in the Dome of the Rock today, when we go to the Kotel, we go to the Har HaBayis, can't go in of course to Har HaBayis, but when we see the Har HaBayis from a distance, and we see the Dome of the Rock, the Evan Shasiyah, this great rock, which is inside the Dome of the Rock, is indeed the Shasiyah stone. He brings interesting Makoros, Radvaz, and Rav Tukachinsky in the Tshuva of the Minchas Yitzchok. He brings that Ayin Shom, but just one final ha'ara that the Radvaz deals with an interesting contradiction. On one hand, we're told over here that it's Gavoyim and Aret Shalosh Etzbos, it's 3 finger breadths high, but yet the stone there is much taller than that. It's a very tall stone. As the Radvaz says, it's the height of 2 men. So he deals over there with how he can address that discrepancy. That is the end of Mishnah.